Hi everyone, my name is Catherine Gutierrez and I'm the Product Marketing Manager here at Matrox Video. We're at InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas here at the Matrox booth. So at Matrox, we're a manufacturer based in Canada of different types of products for both the rAVe and the broadcast space. Here at InfoComm, we're showcasing our rAVe products in 3 different types of environments. So we have a big control room demo on the left. Here we're showing a collaboration type workflow. And then on the right here, we have our live event production workflow. So basically, we have different products in different categories, hitting different performance levels depending on your codec requirements, your network size, your interoperability requirements. But either way, we provide products with high performance, low latency, secure, of course, made in Canada. And we love to see them all come together at a show like InfoComm, where we can show how not only do our products work very well together, but also interoperate with third-party manufacturers because of the use of open standards like IPMX, NMOS, 2110, etc. So open standard design is a big part of our philosophy at Matrox, and we try to incorporate that into as many products as we can. So if you want more information about our Matrox ecosystem, please visit us on socials or come to our website and book a virtual demo. Thanks.